Clock say? What time is it?
Get up. The time to get up.
Time to get up.
Uh-huh.
Will you go make me some breakfast?
You make us breakfast first.
I make you breakfast first.
Uh-huh.
You want some peanut butter chocolate cereal?
I want peanut butter chocolate cereal.
You love it?
Uh-huh. But I don't have cream in it.
No, it doesn't have queen in it. What are you doing?
I get it. I get it.
Who is that?
Listen.
Who is he?
He's 11.
Blevin.
Uh-huh.
Is that your baby brother?
Uh-huh. My baby brother. He can sleep. Remember he sleep this me?
Mm-hmm.
And he swarmed. It was swarmed and swarmed
He squirmed and squirmed and squirmed
everywhere.
everywhere.
Uh-huh. Oh, God, get that burger off of him. Burger.
Got it. Got the booger off.
I can. He don't want